this is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a basic video discussing about the few things that if you follow will definitely make your curl life much better and your curls will be much more manageable and nourished. So in case you all don't know, there is something called as the Curly Girl method, which was designed by Lorraine Messy, and it's an absolute amazing thing to tell you how you can take care of your curls. I basically follow a modified version of Curly Girl method. So let's get started with this video. You need to make sure that all the hair products you are using, starting from your oil, shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner or any kind of stylers like a gel, mousse or leave-in, they are all free from any harsh sulfate, from any silicone which are not water soluble, free from mineral oil and drying alcohols. So basically, if you need to check whether a product is curly hair friendly or not, you can simply take the ingredient list and go onto the website called isitcg.com or curlspot.com and check, and it will actually tell you that whether your product is curly hair friendly or not. Yes, you need to stop combing your hair every day. So the only time you can actually comb or brush your curly hair is either before washing your hair when you have applied oil in your hair, or while washing when you have conditioner on. That is the time you can detangle your hair and comb or brush them. But that's it. You do not need to brush or comb your dry hair at any time, especially not after you washed your hair, because that will open all your curls and it will make them much more frizzy and dry. You need to stop using the normal towel to dry your hair. You should instead switch to a microfiber towel or any old t-shirt that you have at home, because they are much more softer on your hair. I will not suggest you to rub your hair even with a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. Instead, just wrap them lightly so that they can absorb the excess water, and then you can leave your hair for drying. As much as possible, try to avoid heat for your hair. By heat, I mean straightening your hair with a straightening iron or blow drying your hair, because both of these things can actually dry out your curls much more, and it will be difficult to recover by even one single heat session that you are taking. So whenever possible, avoid it. Even if you want to dry your hair using a hair dryer, there is an attachment which is called as a diffuser. So please use that to dry your hair, and always use your dryer on a cold setting instead of giving direct heat to your hair. Deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is extremely important for curly hair. So we normally use a shampoo and a conditioner and we skip on deep conditioning. But curly hair are very dry in nature and we need that extra care. Especially if you are in the start of your journey, or you have permanently straightened your hair and you're trying to get back to your natural curls, please deep condition your hair at least once a week. It's really important and you will see a massive difference in your hair. Keeping patience is very, very important. You do not have those beautiful, gorgeous looking curls just by one wash. So please keep patience. Try to follow all these things and give your hair some time. Going forward, I will obviously be discussing all these things in a lot more detail. I'll be sharing my curly hair routine with you all. But meanwhile, if you want, you can just follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to put that down below, because I do share a lot of things there. It will take a little while by the time I start sharing all of those things on YouTube. So if you're in a hurry, you can just go check my Instagram page. Of course, read more and more about it. What I'm telling you right now is just the basic guideline which can help you, but you definitely need to learn much more to understand how to take good care of your curly hair. The place where I started my curly hair journey was from a blog called The Curious Jalebi. I'll link that down below. Go check it out. It has got a lot of information and it will definitely help you a lot. Another thing you can do is please join the group called the Indian Curl Pride on Facebook. There are a lot of curlies there who keep sharing their experience every day. I'm sure that's gonna help you big time. If you're on Instagram, of course follow Desi Curly. She has a lot of information on her page and I'll link all of these things there as well. I hope all these things were helpful for you and it gave you a little insight of how to take care of your curly hair. I'll be coming back soon with my whole curly hair routine, that how do I wash and style my hair to help you guys better. But meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.